Trending! That's it. Is this trending?
I think so.
What's it called?
It's called Crispy Bang Bang Salmon Bite Bowl.
Why bang bang?
Because it's a little bit spicy.
Oh.
Gives you a little bang.
I'm excited for today's recipe. I have no idea what we're doing, so you have to lead us through this.
Okay, so we're doing a bowl, but there are different components of it. First, we are going to make the cucumber salad. So do you want to chop the cucumbers?
Sure I do. These are mini English cucumbers. We never used to have them a lot, but now they're available all year long. When you're making broccoli florets, you never want to cut your cauliflower or your broccoli from the top. First thing you do is you kind of cut the stems down to where you're comfortable with, that's where you want it to start, right? And then all you do is you just let the florets fall off and you use your hands, you don't use a knife at the beginning. And then once you've kind of gotten as far as your hands can go, you just use your knife to just really like gently let them fall off. But let's say this guy's a little bit too big. Again, instead of cutting from the top, you cut down the stem just a touch, twist your knife, and then you break them off. What'll often happen is if you use your knife and you go from the top down, I'll show you, see how well that stuff came off of it? The other way you save all the broccoli and it'll be nicer when you're cooking it.
So we need to cook down the broccoli a little bit, saute it in a pan. Just a little avocado oil, and then once it was sauteing, then I just added some water to steam.
So reminder, at Vince's Market, the way our salmon is provided to us in this type of shrink film, and what that does is it gets all the air out of the pack and makes the fish last a lot longer than if it was just in traditional trays where it's wrapped. So I love this about our fish, is the packaging definitely extends shelf life. And you can see everything on the fish with the packaging the way it is. I like the skin on, it gets crispy, no? But no.
Up to you.
Diced, cubed. Cubed? I'm Cuban? I'm Cuban! Ah.
Cube the salmon and marinate it.
We need more fish in our lives. Omega-3.
Well, we're gonna start now.
I think we're gonna like this. This is like right up our alley. You're saying this is going in the air fryer?
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
You're gonna do it?
Okay. The question is the scent level in this kitchen acceptable that we would do this in our own kitchen?
I don't know, because I can't, you know when you're
I
making
could always
fish?
bring the air fryer outside.
Oh yeah, just make it outside.
We have a problem with cooking fish in the house. If anyone has any tips for how to get rid of the smell.
Okay, so now we are just assembling our Bang Bang crispy salmon bowls. So we have our rice, with just some cooked basmati rice.
This is just simple rice.
Yeah.
White rice.
You can use brown rice.
More rice than that or no?
Basmati, broccoli, yeah, and then we're gonna do the cucumber salad, and then some of the salmon, and then
This is healthy.
Bang Bang sauce.
It doesn't come down nicely, does it? Is there no nice way to do it?
I don't think so.
I'm gonna do this one. I'm just gonna put it in the middle and then I'm gonna spread it out.
Kristen's way better at that than you.
It's true.
The sesame seeds?
Okay, we have to try this one. A little bit of the cucumber.
Yeah, you need to get a piece of everything in every bite, I guess.
I do. Okay, you do it. Go first.
That's good.
Oh, this is a good way of us eating more fish.
Really tasty. Now you don't usually like salmon that much?
No, you don't. What's the dressing?
The Bang Bang.
You know, there's a lot of weird stuff that goes on TikTok, but they get food trends right sometimes. This is good. Find out what's next on Vince's at Home.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.